Hey, traders. Yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another time. So, as usual, I'm trying to do something for the coming week. So, for those who have been following my analysis, they know actually what we always do. So, it is over 4 years now. So, I have been doing the thing. So make sure that you watch previous weekend analysis in order at least to have continuation of what I said in my previous week analysis, because always I used to add what from what I already said. So it is added if there are some changes maybe for the projection, so I just add from the previous analysis. So I do just analysis on gold by using the trend lines. I read the candlestick patterns, I do the wave counts, and also I identify the support and the resistance. Now, in combination of all those factors, I am able to at least determine the probable direction for the coming week. But make sure that you watch analysis from other traders, do your own analysis before taking trading decisions based on what I'm analyzing here. So I'll do in 4 different time frames now, from the monthly time frame, then I go down to 4-hour time frame. And in 4-hour time frame, it's where I provide now the probable direction. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 4-hour time frame. So I'm in a monthly time frame, and in monthly time frame we can see straightforward. Now it has been now 3 months consecutively market has been rejecting from the upside. So, and this current month has increased and created a bearish momentum. Now the bearish momentum has increased, even though we still have 19 days for the monthly candle to close, but at least we have seen a bearish candle being formed in the monthly time frame for more than 5 or 4 months. I mean, since 4 months ago. So actually, if you look closely, you can find that we were having the higher highs now in a monthly time frame. So this month has created a lower high, even though it has not closed, but we expect now it can maintain this level, so we can find the lower highs started being formed in monthly time frame. So as I've been saying in my previous analysis, we are looking for a possible rejection from the current price level, and so we expect to see those things happening in the near future, and they have already started. So then quickly in weekly time frame, we can see now the highlight. Yes, so in weekly time frame, as I've been saying in my several previous analysis, I've been talking about the 3 swing to the upside. So 3 to the upside correction, 3 to the upside, I was expecting correction. So actually we see those things are happening. And for those who have been watching my analysis, it is nearly 3 months now I've been talking about the possible correction from, of price from this level. And always we see the bearish engulfing. Now this is the second week now I've been talking about the bearish engulfing, and actually the next 2 weeks candles, they are supporting the bearish engulfing, because none of the candle has moved above the bearish engulfing candle, and all of them, they are maintaining the bearish momentum. And beautiful enough, now this weekly candle has increased the bearish momentum. So this is the clear indicator of continuation now of the bearish momentum to the downside. And also we see the stronger rejection from the upside in current week weekly candle. So this is also another clear factor of conference for a possible continuation to the downside. And also in my previous analysis, I talked about divergence. So we do like this. So you see this high in RSI, high in price chart, then price created a new high while RSI failed to create a new high. So this is divergence. I talked about this, and it is supported by this weekly movement also. So that is powerful. Go and watch my previous analysis. Link is in the video description, so you can at least see what are those factors that remain to be constant since my previous analysis. And yes, so we can see the levels. I presented the levels. So price is moving below the level, and below price there is another level. So as we move to 4-hour time frame, now we'll see how these levels are going to hold it through, how they are going, how price is going to react into those levels. And then we have this major level. So the overall map of the price move, we expect to move up to this level down here. So we'll see in lower time frames. Then quickly in daily time frame, now we can see the magics. So on Friday now there was a very stronger move due to NFP. So we found that now we created a new low. You see, we had this low, so new low was created here, even though we had another here, but this one is the bigger one. And at the same time now, when the price was turning from this level, so we created a lower high. So price currently is creating lower highs and the lower lows. These are the indicators of a possible downtrend. Now it may be a short-term downtrend in any way, but actually we are looking down in gold from the monthly time frame and weekly, and then also on daily time frame we are still looking down. So even though in the long run we will be going up, because this downward movement is only up to this level here, roughly around 2200. So up to 2200 we expect the price may turn and continue to the upside. So if I do a simple technical analysis now, connecting this high with the other one here, so if I do a simple technical analysis, we can find that price is, because there is level down here, so price may be rejected to the upside before it breaks the level and continue to the downside. So this is what we call a simple technical analysis. So in 4-hour time frame now, we'll see what will be the initial movements now when market opens. So now let me go to the last time frame, the final 4-hour time frame. So now in the 4-hour time frame we can see those possible moves, but one of the major thing why I'm looking down because my wave counts tell me that we are creating an A, B, C to the downside. So wave B ended there. So currently we are creating wave C to the downside. That's why I'm looking down, because I know wave C must have 5 internal waves. So we expect to have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. So that is very powerful, even though up to the moment the wave C can end up here. But basically they wave C are mostly likely to be extended, so we can expect extension, so price may continue to the downside. So this is the 4-hour time frame. So basically why I expect the price may turn from this level, because it is a technical level. Price was supported here several times, and also it is a psychological level at 2300. In my previous analysis I talked about 2300, 2400, and finally price landed at 2300. So we expect the rejection from this level, and if this level is going to be broken, so we'll be going straight down to 2200. So basically we have the ABC. So if we run the Fibonacci of this, so we expect now this level here is around 50%. So in most cases we expect the price on opening of the market, price, if it's not going to break this level, will go straight to the upside up to those technical levels here, so around 2340. So price may go up to around 2340. I hope I talked about this level in my previous analysis, so it is also applying in the same way. 2340, then after 2340, if we'll see selling confirmations from that level, basically you have to go in when the price is confirming a sell at 2340 level. So that is my projection, even though now due to other technical levels, price may slightly go beyond 2340 level, but basically take consideration of the levels. We have this one running from this level, and also we have the other one running from this side, so price may slightly go up to 2350 or 60, but basically if we see confirmation within those levels, 2340, 2350, actually those are the better sell opportunities, and we'll be riding down as long as 2300 is broken. So we'll be riding down, but we'll be just taking caution, but we'll be riding down to nearly 2200. Now we can go up to 2200. From there, now next projection will be provided. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you watch analysis from other traders, do your own analysis, and also put comment if you have anything in the comment section. Maybe you have a different direction. I like to hear from other traders, and also you can share this video if you think it is going to help someone else. So thank you. Have a powerful weekend.